Education and Technology with the City of Philadelphia, and I'm here today representing KeySpot, powered by the Freedom Rings Partnership. The City of Philadelphia is a lead partner in this initiative, just going along with some of the questions that we've been asked to answer here. I don't necessarily consider myself an expert in very much of anything, rather really a jack of many trades. I have many interests and my experiences vary. I'm particularly interested in here today specifically just in sharing with all of you a bit more about public service, effective government, and the power of community and collaboration. So KeySpot, powered by the Freedom Rings Partnership, is a collaboration of government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and higher ed institutions, bringing free computer access, web access, and one-on-one training to communities across Philadelphia. We really like to think of these common community spaces as technology-enabled community spaces. And the idea here is that we're really building social capital, building social and community capital, rather, on a physical technology infrastructure. KeySpot locations are across the city, as Brian kindly mentioned. They're in recreation center sites across the city. We've got 19 recreation centers that have KeySpot locations within them. They're in other common community spaces like Congresso in North Philadelphia, as well as in a number of YMCA locations across the city, in Roxborough, in Graduate Hospital in North Philadelphia. And there's many other organizations that we're partnering with as well. The idea here is that we're really building on and expanding the offerings of these community partners. We're really building on the vital programming that's already taking place in these common community spaces and really building on the services that are already being offered. And we're just really expanding these offerings, obviously, through technology. We clearly embody the digital inclusion, open access Philly value, recognizing again, Brian stole my thunder a little bit, that 41% of Philadelphians do not have access or are not connected at home. So the idea here is that we're providing computer and internet access across the city, as well as valuable training and assistance. This is a really key piece of what we're doing. It's not really just in giving people computers, but it's really enabling them to help themselves as well by providing vital training and assistance at all of these locations. So again, we're providing people with tools and education for supporting individuals, families, and communities. And this is really about information access. It's about access to jobs. It's about higher education. It's also about access to government services. Some of the immediate next steps for this particular project and initiative, we are one of the main access policy track sponsors of Philly Tech Week this week, so we have a number of signature events taking place. We have one tomorrow evening around digital literacy, another later in the week around women and minorities in tech, small business development, community media and technology, and also a solution session later this week on Friday at Drexel. We're also really just concentrating at this moment, really building stakeholders in our community, building community relations, and we're really devising a plan for sustainability as well. This project is federally funded through the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, and we really want to continue the good work of these community partners beyond the life of this particular grant. And we're just really recognizing, it's not necessarily only about the technology, it's also about the people in these communities that are empowering individuals and providing the hands-on resources and training to really get people connected and make this meaningful. I feel like I'm repeating myself a little bit here. So really, again, just reiterating, by providing Philadelphians with the tools and skills necessary, we're addressing workforce-related issues, educational attainment, economic and community development issues, and other barriers that are facing folks across our city. So we're really empowering individuals and communities to develop skill sets. We're equipping people with necessary skills like helping parents help their kids. And we're also creating safe spaces with supportive staff that are really helping the learning that's taking place. So with that, I'll give you my 6 words. Empowering people through technology-enabled spaces. Visit our website, phillykeysports.org, to learn more about the Access Track sponsored events this week, as well as a key spot in your neighborhood. Thanks.